Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the inking and typing personalization privacy settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Privacy and Security button at the left side of the screen to show the privacy and security settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Inking and Typing Personalization button to the right to show the inking and typing personalization privacy settings at the right side of the Settings app window. To enable or disable a personal inking and typing dictionary in Windows 11, click the Personal Inking and Typing Dictionary Setting Buttons toggle switch to set it to the on or off position as desired. To view your personal inking and typing dictionary, click the Personal Dictionary Setting button to show the personal dictionary settings. If desired to clear your personal dictionary, click the Clear Your Personal Dictionary button. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.